Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Sunday, June 9th, and this is my recap of the top field videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had non-farm payroll on Friday, actually set up for a very nice sorting opportunity. It was pretty obvious this move up was very overlapping, corrective. I think it's more likely we are going down probably in a wave C, and we do have interest rate coming out on Wednesday, so I think more than likely it's either going to go down and make a running flat wave C, which would likely go down to this area, or possibly an expanding flat wave C, which would likely go down to where I have this box down here. Either way, I would definitely be looking for shorts on sort of time frames, at least until we had that 3, 4, 5 shape and a breaker structure. Doesn't really matter what Fibonacci level it has. Just if it is a running flat, it will make a higher low, higher low. If it's an expanding flat, it will make a lower high on the wave C. So just pay attention to your fib levels, pay attention for that breaker structure. Hopefully what's going to happen is it's going to drift down until Wednesday's interest rate news and make for a very nice long opportunity at the news on June 12th, US dollar interest rate news. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.